What if I told you that your opinion is literally worth money? Not someday, not eventually, right now. Most people scroll past survey ads without a second thought. They assume it's a scam or the payout's too small to bother with. But here's the thing nobody tells you. Millions of people are quietly earning real cash just by sharing what they think. So is it actually legit? And more importantly, could it work for you? Stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know about getting paid to take online surveys. Here's the honest truth up front. Online surveys are not going to replace your 9 to 5. I want to be clear about that. But what they can do is put real, spendable cash in your pocket during time you'd otherwise waste. Waiting in line, watching TV, riding the bus. The idea is simple. Companies need your feedback to build better products, and they're willing to pay for it. Today, we're walking through exactly how the whole system works. Which platforms are actually worth your time, and how to squeeze the most earnings out of every minute. So where does the money actually come from? Here's how it works behind the scenes. Big companies, brands, researchers, ad agencies, they need data. They want to know what consumers think before they launch a new product or change a marketing campaign. So they pay survey platforms to collect that feedback, and those platforms pass a cut of that money to you. It's a pretty clean system. You're the product in the best possible way. Your honest opinion has real market value. Number 1, how online surveys actually work. Before you dive in, it helps to understand the mechanics. Not every survey you see will be a match for you. Companies are targeting specific groups of people. A lot of sites will ask you to fill out a profile. KashKick, for example, pays you $1 just to fill out that profile survey. Number 2, what can you actually earn? All right, let's talk real numbers. A survey that takes 2 minutes and pays 50 cents is a better deal than one that takes 20 minutes and pays $1. Number 3, choosing the right platform. This is honestly the most important decision you'll make. First, cash out minimums. Second, payout speed. Third, reviews. Legitimate platforms have verifiable feedback. Number 4, the best survey sites right now. KashKick is our top pick for everything we've already talked about. Number 5, tips to actually maximize your earnings. Tip 1, fill out your profile completely. Tip 2, stack multiple apps. Tip 5, use the referral program. You earn 25% of your friends' earnings for life. So here's the bottom line. Online surveys are not a get-rich-quick scheme. Anyone who tells you otherwise is lying. But as a low-effort way to earn extra cash, they're genuinely accessible. Not rent money, but dinner out, earned from your couch. If you're ready to start earning, I've linked KashKick directly in the description below. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.